Hey, we should have done the bird box challenge and just do it blindfolded. Well, think about it.
Well, you could, yeah.
Just do it blindfolded.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can even swing a hammer. Like, can you drive a nail blindfolded?
Hold the nail in your hand and just swing it?
No, well, yeah, you could. We're gonna find out here shortly. We were doing the samples here a while ago, and that's gonna be on the next video. So we started joking around the Birdboxchallenge. So we're gonna try it. It's gonna be simple. We're gonna take a hammer and 2 nails, and we're gonna see who can drive them the fastest. Walter just showed up, so now he's in the challenge too. So we're gonna get Leroy. Okay, Walter goes first.
Hey, we got the karate kid going first here.
So Walter goes first, then Leroy, and then finally me. All right. Of course, we don't have a blindfold, but we're gonna improvise. We got some shop towels, and we're gonna make a blindfold out of that.
Well, he could just wear his glasses.
No, just take his glasses off.
Blind ass.
Okay, Walter, come here.
Nah, cause I'm gonna be accused of cheating.
No, go ahead.
Hey, so what's the price? A trip to the hospital?
A free trip. You're going to Advent's. You never been in one, have you?
Free?
Well, yeah, but I was not
Free?
But the nail's we gotta start the nail at least for him.
No, that's not how it works.
At least.
You started and then, blinded?
No. You put the nails here, right there. See, if you drop it, you have to get it, and then we're gonna time it.
Oh my God! I hope you have enough film.
Film. That's how old he is. He said film. All right.
Put the glasses right there.
Set them down on top of that epoxy.
Hey, I wanted colored glasses, but not like that.
Turn around.
The last time they told me that, I woke up with hickeys on my neck. Hey, I could see.
Walter, keep it.
I could see.
Keep it YouTube.
You could see on the bottom.
Don't worry.
You don't. Oh,
good one.
your head fell off. There.
Hey, I could see.
Well, don't look down.
No. Get the welding helmet. Well, on top of that. No, we need something better.
Well, yeah,
Tape it.
Then you're gonna have to get more every time you
Tape it everything. Just tape it over his head. Just get that painter's tape.
Oh,
there you go.
Oh yeah, that's better.
Put it on.
All right, so
put
we're
it on
gonna
the seams.
take the cap off.
Why is he gonna take?
Come on, Leroy.
Now you can't see. Oh, really? You're gonna go all the way around?
Well, I have to.
It's like, hey, wait.
There, you're good. How do you find it?
Okay, wait. You gotta time it. Get the timer. I got a timer. Hang on.
Hope I don't fall back into the sample.
Don't. You only have to do it over.
It's right in front of you.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I said about
You're gonna have to drive 2 nails all the way in.
2 nails, just one.
Just one?
Yes. How? It's gonna be hard to do one, and you want it to do 2? Come on.
I saw this on the karate kid.
Go ahead.
All right.
Come on, Karate Kid.
Ready? Wait. Ready?
Yeah.
Wait. Move back. Set. Go.
I better not move the damn horse.
Horse. Just one.
Hey, upside down, right?
This is the wrong hand.
Hey, I'm left-handed.
Oh.
Now do the other one. Wait, that was 20 seconds. Do the other one. Yeah, see, that's why it's interesting.
I don't got any more nails.
Hey, it felt like when I used to get drunk. Oh, man. All right, Tommy.
Yay!
Hey, Walter.
50 seconds.
That's pretty good. Hold on, don't move. Don't move.
Hey, don't pull my hair off. Or my eyebrow. Man, you taped it with my eyelids were actually closed.
That's the whole point. We want to make sure. You did pretty good.
All right, Walter, that's pretty good.
I'm not going to try.
Yeah, you are.
Really?
All right, Leroy, you have 51 seconds.
Oh, but look. He didn't hit the 2x4. Came out. Doesn't count.
All right.
There's no technicality.
Hold on, let me go get some more nails.
Hey, get one of those finishing nails with no head. Damn, like a nail gun, man.
Oh, you can see right through this.
No, you can't. Not when you put the tape like you did on me.
And she get it right under the nose.
Remember payback? Remember payback?
I can't breathe.
Hold on.
You can't reach.
I need my hand. You can't take my hand to my head.
Take it off. Take your finger out.
Hey.
Hey, this is YouTube quality.
He has to go around.
Oh, there we go, like you did me.
You're cutting off my blood circulation to my head.
Oh, there's no brains there.
Okay.
Right, now turn around 3 times.
Where are we at?
All right. Reset. Ready?
Where's the sawhorse?
Set.
Oh. Okay.
Go.
Oh,
God dang it.
oh, ow, 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 ow.
God. This is retarded. God dang, Walter. It's because he wears glasses.
Oh, man.
Where am I? Am I using the wrong ink? No wonder. I was like, how the hell did Walter do it so good? I get to start over.
No.
Well, you figure if you feel claws.
I didn't feel the claw. I thought I was just missing it.
Gotta do the other one.
Where's the other one?
Do the other one.
Where is it? Where is it? Can somebody help me find it? I know I kicked it this way. Oh! That ain't it.
Hey, that's what,
Okay, I'm gonna feel with my feet now.
like Stevie Wonder trying to be a carpenter.
Come here. Hurry up, Leroy.
Well, where's my nail? Y'all kicked it. I can hear y'all.
No, we didn't. You were very close earlier.
Was I? Where's the damn sawhorse now?
Remember that song by No Rainy Day?
Okay.
Oh man, we turned the clock off.
I got better things to do than this.
There you go. There you go. You found it.
Retarded. Good.
Alright. Those are Leroy's right here. And that's Walter, and that's the other one. So Walter did pretty
He
good.
did. He's better without glasses, I'm telling you. Okay, now it's
Alright,
your
that's
turn.
it.
No, it's your turn.
We'll see you next week.
Yeah, right.
So Leroy took forever. We don't even know how long that was.
I ran out of film.
But he got DQ'd anyway because those nails are, well, you saw what he did.
You saw how he damaged all that.
Even though he tried to get extra points by driving them in with the claws of the hammer.
That would have been impressive.
That would have been impressive. Oh man.
Okay, it's your turn. Come on, let's go.
You really can't see anything.
No, you got hold it right there. Now go ahead, start.
Use epoxy.
Okay. Oh,
He
There
was
you go.
tired around the head.
looks what? It's got a fat head.
Look like the Blue Man Group.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. He's trying to grab my nose. Yeah, look at it. Yeah.
I'm gonna do 2 at a time.
Oh.
Well, how else are you going to do it?
Perfect.
Yeah, I bent it. Of course, that doesn't disqualify you. Oh. I'll just keep my fingers.
You almost got it. Almost got it. Okay.
All right.
Time.
So,
But one of them you bent, so it doesn't really count.
Well,
take off point.
Oh.
man, I guess Walter wins, man. Hey, I did it in 41 seconds. Are you even recording?
I guess it is.
I did it in 41 seconds. Ah, but I bent one.
Yeah.
Dang it, Walter, you win. So Walter is the winner of the Bird Box Challenge.
That'll be in part 2.
So Walter moves on to the finals.
I don't want to.
It's because he did little ones like ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Well, mine was pretty good, except I bent that one and I got, yeah, that's what I did. He felt it when he started bending, he straightened it out. That's what I did on the second one.
Yeah.
But the first one, I got in a hurry.
Thank you for watching us look like idiots, I
Three
guess.
Stooges.
All right, so that was pretty fun. I guess Walter wins.
Which one was mine again?
Two bent ones.
You know why? Because I'm
I know, that's what it was.
Yeah, so Walter wins, I get second place, and Leroy.
bringing up the rear.
Yeah. But
Hey.
that was pretty impressive. He managed to hit it a couple of times with the claw of the
Yeah,
hammer.
that's not too easy. That's not easy at all.
We were just waiting for that finger to fly off. I was like, he's gonna swing it hard. And
Oh, there it is.
Oh, am I using the wrong side? Yes.
And I guess the bad thing would have been we wouldn't have said nothing.
I know y'all would have. Y'all just kept laughing at me. Instead of just saying, leave me out the hammer backwards. No.
we tried.
Yeah.
Well, that's the whole point of the
Competition.
of the challenge, right?
Well, it looks like if there's one of those bird movie things happen, you're gonna die.
He's gonna be missing a few fingers.
Yeah.
Anyway, all right. We'll see you next show. We are Texas Barndominiums.